Hi, and welcome to how to get as many mortgage refinance loan leads as you need every single day without breaking the bank. My name is Peter Sun, and my promise to you is, first of all, number one, I will show you exactly why our leads are the best value, premium quality, and the best return on investment you'll ever make, even if you have been disappointed with leads in the past. And number two, I will demonstrate how our unique lead generation process, lead filtering, and the automated lead follow-up ensures the highest contact and conversion rates, saving you and your sales team time and money. And number three is I will offer you a really low-risk way for you to try us out if you like what you see here today. So let's talk a little bit about who we are and why you should test us out. Now, we're a local Aussie business that's been started by Mark Fregnan in WA, Perth, about 19 years ago. Now, he started out by helping hundreds of businesses to increase sales and profits using better IT systems, online marketing, sales training. And then about 4 years ago, one of his finance clients has actually asked him to generate, fixed cost leads so he could actually budget for his cost every single month. And Mark was also, by that stage, a finance broker, so he understood the business from both ends of the spectrum. So he decided to switch and specialize in specialist premium cost, fixed cost premium finance lead generation and sales support. Now, as you know, most companies will do solar, medical, roofing, anything else they can make a dollar on. But because we specialize in finance leads, we not only provide quality leads, but we also give you a complete CRM system to engage and nurture the leads, all done in your company name to maximize your connection rates and settlement conversions. Now, we will also train you and your team on how to best work with these online leads to maximize your conversions and return on investments with these types of leads. And look, Mark has had some of his clients working with him for over 2 years, ordering leads every single month, and they wouldn't be doing that if they weren't working. He's to lead generation what Elon Musk is to electric cars. He really knows what he's doing. So my role is actually to find finance brokers and businesses that are, first of all, ambitious and want to grow their business, right? You're hungry, you want more business. Also, you want to have predictable stream of leads coming in, and you have the capacity to handle more leads right now. Also, we're looking for people who have good processes for handling the leads and good time management skills, because these leads need to be followed up promptly as soon as you receive them. And also, we want to make sure that you have competitive products that will suit our lead demographics needs so that they actually want the types of leads that you're going to be offering them. So what you're going to learn here in the next few minutes is a few facts about our leads, the conversion and contact rates, delivery speed, how we qualified each lead before you receive it and who we reject. I'm going to talk about, show you actually a sample of actual leads generated that we've done for our clients, and also about our guarantee and reasons why successful brokers love doing business with us, and how you could give us a chance at a very, very, risk-free kind of an offer. So a few facts about our mortgage loan leads is that there's, first of all, fast delivery, right? You're going to get the leads within 2 or 3 minutes of us creating that lead. They'll be in your inbox. Secondly is we have very high contact rates. You'll get over 80% contact rate with the help of our automated text and email follow-up process, which is proprietarily being developed by Mark, who is a great marketer, and he understands the psychology of the leads and exactly how they should be handled. And lastly, you're going to get a great return on investment. You can expect 8 to 17% settlement conversions in the first 6 weeks of receiving the leads, as proven across what our clients have been reporting to us, and as much as 20% or more after 3 or 4 months of the lead nurturing and following our systems that we will show you how to do. So those actual conversions will keep going up as we're communicating with those leads. Now let's talk a little bit about how we qualify each lead and the leads that we actually disqualify and filter out. So first of all, we look at what is the refinancing loan amount that they want. So you'll know exactly how much money they want to borrow. You'll know that we ask them whether it's an existing loan type and is it a variable or a fixed mortgage loan. Any fixed mortgage loan, obviously, we will filter out. So you're only going to get the variable loans, which can be obviously broken and refinanced. We look at the employment status. Are they still both employed? Gainfully employed? Do they have good employment? And what is their combined household income? How much money do they earn in total? We also look at, do they have good credit rating? Now, we only ask them that question. We do not do a credit check on them because obviously you need permission to do that. But if you find after running a credit check that their credit is not good, we will replace that lead anyway. So we also lastly get a full contact details. We get their full name, their first name, last name, emails, address, their mobile, and we make sure it's a real mobile. We verify they have to text us a code, so you're not going to get any of that situation where you're trying to reach people who's the wrong phone numbers and so on, and also the postcode and the state that they live in. So here's an example of actual refinance leads delivered to our clients, and this is the actual leads you would be getting in your inbox if you decide to give us a trial. So you get the date there, the first name, last name, their mobile, email. You can see the home address there. Obviously, we blocked it out for privacy reasons. But here you can see the refinance loan amount requested. The average loan refinance is about $430,000 based on these numbers. And the loan type is variable. The employment status, again, majority of people are actual, they're employed as an employee. There's a few there that have businesses, but probably 90% of our employees. And what is their combined annual household income is on the last column there. So that's the information you would be getting into your inbox if you decided that you want to get leads, leads from us. Now, our guarantee to you is that they are 100% exclusive leads. So each lead we supply to you is 100% exclusive to you. And we will contact each lead in your name for up to 6 months or until you lodge an application, a loan application for them. Obviously, the easiest way to make money in this business is to sell the same lead 3 or 4 times. We never do that, and we give that to you in writing. We have targeted and qualified leads, so each lead will be targeted to the type of loan that you are offering and qualified as per our agreement, what I've showed you in the previous slides. They also must have a good credit rating. As I mentioned, we will replace any leads that they have a bad credit rating for free. And we will deliver each lead within 2 or 3 minutes of the customer making the inquiry. So these leads are hot and they are waiting for your call. But most importantly, you will get a really great return on investment. You will never lose money with our leads. Mark said to me, no one's ever lost money with our leads, but some clients make more money than others. So if you're not getting the returns that you're expecting, we would actually retrain you and your team to make sure that your conversion rates are in that higher spectrum that we showed you before. Because if you follow our recommendations and our follow-up processes, we know that you will make money. And you will be working smarter and not harder, giving you more freedom in your business, and hopefully, being in a place like this, at a beach like this, and a pool like this, rather than sitting in your office frustrated because you're talking to people who can't afford what you're offering, or who are not really qualified to be getting a loan in the first place. So let's talk about the most important part, is what is the investment. If I said to you, if I give you the leads for free, I'm sure everybody would want to give them a shot. Obviously, it costs money for us to generate these leads. So let's talk about exactly what we've got to offer you here. So the standard minimum order is 35 leads, and they're $95 per lead each, which is $3,325 plus GST. Now, our normal initial setup and 6 months worth of text and email nurture campaign that we set up in your name is $795. So the total investment in month 1 is $4,120 plus GST normally. And then from month 2 onwards, it's $3,325 plus GST for 35 leads at the $95 a lead. Now, even at that offer, I do believe that it's a really good deal, and it's a fair deal given the conversions that we get. But I understand you don't know who we are. You don't know yet whether you can trust us, whether we'll deliver or we're just full of talk and no action. So we have a first-time client trial offer. Now, under this offer, what we will do for you is we will first of all get you an exclusive phone number, which is $95 value. We will also set you up on a Go High Level CRM login and setup, which is $149 value, and the CRM training video, which is basically where the leads are going to go, and they're going to be contacted in your name and your company name, under our nurturing system. We also include that 6-month text and email campaign, which is $595 value, and the startup training for you and your team. Now, the total value of all this is $1,083. And normally, we charge $795 for this setup. But if you decide to go with us today, then we will make this offer to you. You just pay $480 right now today, right? And that's all we want up front. We will do all these things for you so you can see we're not full of shit. We'll do the setup, we'll do the training. It takes us about 3 to 5 days so you can see we're doing what we promised you. And then you pay for the leads that you want to do a trial on. Now, obviously, there is a minimum order that is ideally, you want to get started with, but we're a little bit flexible on that. So give us a call and talk to us about what you'd feel comfortable with doing as your first order to try us out. And, if after that, you can choose how many leads you want to order next month. That's up to you. We have that minimum order after that. But the first month, we just have this trial where we want you to try us out and give it a go. So if you would like to know more about how your business can get qualified leads every week, and you want to know more about the minimum quantity, that you could order for your trial, contact me on 0403-468-753 or email us at peter@kineticmarketing.com.au. And I would love to be working with you. I know you're going to love our leads, right? So pick up that phone, give me a call, and let's talk about what we can do for your business. And hopefully I'll hear from you soon.